What's the meaning of all day? All day. All day. All day. All day. All day.
The term all day refers to something that lasts throughout the entire day, from morning until night. It can be used to describe events, activities, or even objects that are intended to last for an extended period of time. For example, an all-day conference might run from early in the morning until late in the evening, while an all-day music festival might feature performances by multiple artists throughout the day. Essentially, anything that is described as all day is expected to be a significant and time-consuming experience.